Figured I'd do a quick update video on this Westie that I'm trying to get going. I tried to do a little bit of this last night before going to work, and I did make a comment that I did hear a clock sound while it was running. Well, to be honest with you, the clock sound was this piece on the oscillator gear wheel. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Either way, it wasn't catching properly, so it was kind of making the noise. I took it off, I took the retaining ring off, I took this gear off, and I tried to turn the shaft down here with the needle nose, and it is fucking stiff. So I'm guessing this restoration, albeit that, well, as a standalone fan, it's fine, because if you hear it, it's nice and quiet. As it gets up to speed, I'll show you it's pretty powerful. But as an oscillating fan, I'm afraid its days are over. So, on the plus side, the gears are fine. So, yeah. But the good news is, I do have a parts fan if I do decide to tackle that other AT10-1. I don't know. So until then, well, here's the Westie fan already put back together, just like it was never taken apart. So yeah. Sadly, however, like the Fasco up there and the Handy Breeze over there, this one's just going to be a stationary standalone type fan. But on the plus side, it's quieter. So yeah. I mean, like I said before, it's not really a requirement that an oscillating fan oscillates. It's just one of those nice to have things. I don't know.